In order to change the lock screen clock on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, first of all, we need to go to Settings. Over here in Settings, scroll down a little bit, and then go to the Wallpaper and Style. Now in here, we're going to tap on the lock screen. You should be able to tap on the clock in here, and now we can start customizing it. For example, if you go to Style, we have a couple of different styles that you can choose from. And then we can also show the weather information, and we can move the date to be above the clock. If you go back to the font and color, you can of course choose a different font that should be used by the clock. We can make the font thinner or thicker. And in some cases, the style options are limited, as you can see over here. And we can also apply a different color. We have a couple of different colors to choose from. We can also synchronize it with the wallpaper so that the clock adapts the wallpaper color. And once you are done with the customization, oh, actually that is not done, because we can grab by the icon over here to adjust the size of the clock, and also you can move it around as well. Now, once you are done, remember to use the done button in the upper right corner. Leave a like and subscribe.